What is up, YouTube? I am making a video on my new smartwatch, and it is the COLMI P73. I already recorded a video, but then I forgot one super important thing, and this is all about you guys. So the importance, I'll explain it to you in a second of what I forgot, but I'm going to tell you how to hook this thing up. Everywhere on the internet didn't tell me how to hook it up. Maybe the youth of today is smarter than me. I'm 48, and I didn't really understand how to do it. Like how did it link? Obviously it's Bluetooth. So, but you can't just hit Bluetooth. What you have to do is you take it, you go here, you go, it's called PooBooWare. And it is the app that controls everything. So, oops, touch my computer and it does that. So it's going to show you your health. That's the first page. The second button is manage equipment. And then there's the watch face and this, and then the personal center. And actually this is a little bit different than it shows it. But basically what goes on is there's like, say this is the page. The first page is health, like it just said. The second is manage your equipment. The third wasn't watch face. And the fourth is the personal center. So 3 out of 4 of those are right. But basically it's going to show it. There's going to be 4 tabs. And those control everything on your phone I'm talking about. So download the PooBooWare. Okay. And this is going to be applicable to other models also that work with PooBooWare app. They all may operate off a different app, but so basically don't scan any QR codes, okay? And that's the first thing that I wanted to mention to you is that I did, okay? So I'm not sure if it was this one. It could have been this one, but don't scan any of these. There's also on the watch. Let me just do this real quick. I'm going to show you. So hold on a second. Actually, never mind. I got to go back. You go like that. And oh, wait, no, that was right. Back is right here. So this is the view. Okay, so now I'm to the right view here. So now I could go like this. And I'll zoom in. Don't worry. I'm just getting to it. I just want to show you. Whoa, weird. It already changed the... It already changed it when I changed the firmware. Do not click on that QR code. Don't do it. I'll tell you what happened to me. Hold on, I'm getting there. Don't click on the QR code. Or what mine said was, it said IP address or MAC IP. That's what it said. Do not click on it. I'll tell you what happened to me. I clicked on that. I thought that I needed that, I thought I needed that QR code. I think this one is the one that you can scan that takes you to PooBooWare, but I don't think you should scan it at all. This one I think is the bad one. And I'll tell you what I mean by bad. When I clicked on it and I downloaded a QR scanner because I didn't have one on my phone, it took me somewhere that said set up an account. So I thought that was what was necessary to run the phone. So I clicked on create account, put in my email. I didn't make a password or anything, but I did put in, it said $0. Okay. You will not be charged for this. So I said, okay, maybe you need like some sort of, I don't know, like say your Google account keeps a credit card in case you want to, like, cause you can buy, wallpapers and new watch faces. So I thought it was like that. Like anytime you made a purchase, maybe it put in that card. But I put in my card and then clicked OK. And then it took me to some link that like showed a bunch of crap. Like I was buying something. So at that moment, I got an email from my Chase Bank and it said like, is this fraud? Is this you? And I realized I made a mistake, so I said that was fraudulent charge to stop the charge because it said $49.99 every month or some crap, dude. And I was like, what? So do not get fooled. And I'm not, I don't really know how to say it. I guess like it's not like a scam because you don't need to pay anything to link this to your phone. Just don't do that. Just listen to what I say. Get the Pubu Wear app. It's in the Google Play Store or in the Mac Store, Apple Store, whatever they call it. Pubu Wear. And here, let me show it to you again. Well, it did it again. It did the jiggle. Pubu Wear. That's the app, okay? And what you do, you download that. And then once you download that and your watch is all fully charged up. And here, let me get the charge. I'm going to show you the charge cable. Looks like this. And it magnetizes only one way. And it's kind of sensitive. Like you can't hang your phone off this or anything. But it works real well. Once you get it charged up and you get the Pubu Wear on your phone, link it via Bluetooth. And then once you link it via Bluetooth, then you could start doing everything. It'll set the time and everything for you. Now, the apps, or whatever you want to call it on the phone, the way they work are, there's basically health stuff. There's all kinds of health apps, and that's one of the main reasons why I got it. I'm recording my heart rate, I'm 48. I want to see, I actually got it because I wanted to see at work if people pissed me off. I'm not kidding, like to check my heart rate if I seemed pissed, and then to try and learn how to control my emotions a little bit better. But that might sound funny to you, but I don't want my heart rate going up because certain people piss me off. But basically, you're going to have all kinds of health apps. You're going to have, your walking, your exercise. There's so many exercise things that you could track on here. It's not even funny, like even yoga, bicycling, this, that, and the other, and it'll tell you where your heart rate should be for it. All kinds of stuff. Sleep monitor. If you have your arm down and you pick it up, it'll turn on, but I put mine in low power mode. So when I was sleeping last night, it was the first night, I would move my arm and put it under my head and the light turned on and it would wake me up. So I took the watch off. But now that it's in low power mode, it won't do that. So I could actually track my sleeping. That's another thing I want to do, is see how horrible of a sleeper I am. But you can make phone calls and receive phone calls, and it's very clear. And the benefit of that is I need to put my phone up in the window like this to get good signal. And I could walk around my basement because I'm in the basement. And that's why I don't get good cell signal, and just talk on my watch. So you're Bluetoothing. Your phone is the one that has all the Wi-Fi signals going to it and 5G or whatever. And then you could walk away from your phone within Bluetooth range and use it and receive messages and make phone calls. The phone calls are super clear. You could hear people. They could hear you real well. And you could just do whatever you want with your hands while you're doing it. Really nice feature. As far as I could tell, you can't write a message, a text, but you could receive them and you could delete them. I'm not sure. I don't think it deletes it from your phone. I think it just deletes it from your watch. Let me see what else. The main thing is don't scan that one QR code thing. That's some sort of weird phishing scam or something. Don't use any QR codes to set it up. Just go get Pubu Wear and hook it up via Bluetooth. You'll be set. Once you get into the Pubu Wear, you're going to have to set up all the permissions. You're going to have to allow it to use your, if you want to take pictures, use your camera, because you can use the watch function as the clicker or the start and stop recording. You have to import your contacts that you want. I think you can import up to 500 contacts into your watch. You don't have to import all of the contacts into your watch. You can only keep importing people. I think you can still receive calls, but you can't call out if you don't have your contacts. What else? I mean, it's pretty awesome. I got 5 of them. I got one for my brother, my mom, my wife, me, and my friend for $75. And that's the cost of one of them on Amazon. So that's a score. And I just think it's excellent. There's the actual logo of the app. I'm real happy with it. I'm tracking my steps. I'm already at 5,000 steps, and I'm at home today only, so I'll probably be at 20,000 steps at work. But you guys click the like button and subscribe if you enjoy this video. I didn't see anyone else that told you how to hook it up. They must think it's self-explanatory. But enjoy your day, and Moto Meat is out.